Hello everyone, I am Jamaican singer, songwriter, poet, general writer Sean C. Harrison. I would like to sing for you a world famous age-old hymn that speaks to the greatness and wonder of God's faithfulness and His love towards His children. It is of course entitled Great is Thy Faithfulness, and has been sung in churches and in homes for decades. And I would like to put my own spin on it, and I hope that as I minister this song, your spirit should be ministered to. Now, I have personally experienced the faithfulness of God in my life, having been diagnosed for almost 26 years now with paranoid schizophrenia. I was diagnosed at age 19, and my life has seen many darker days, many ups and downs, many twists and turns, but the faithfulness of God has always been my stay, and the wonderful love and patience and caring of the saints of God and many others who had no persuasion, but that they were persuaded to love me into being whole. Medications I take to this day for paranoid schizophrenia / schizoaffective disorder affect my voice most of the time, and for most of the time, sadly, I'm not able to sing well. But when my voice does clear, as it has been clearing a bit this morning, I do try to do a bit of vocal work. So for someone who needs to be assured of the wonderful mercy and grace and faithfulness of God, let this song breathe life into your spirit and cause you to break out in praise and thanksgiving for His great love. Great is Thy faithfulness, O God, my Father. There is no shadow of turning with Thee. Thou changest not, Thy compassions, they fail not. As Thou hast been, Thou forever wilt be. Great is Thy faithfulness, great is Thy faithfulness. Morning by morning, new mercies I see. All I have needed, Thy hand hath provided. Great is Thy faithfulness, Lord, unto me. Summer and winter, yes, springtime and harvest, sun, moon, and stars in their courses above, join with all nature in manifold witness to Thy great faithfulness, mercy and love. Great is Thy faithfulness, great is Thy faithfulness. Morning by morning, new mercies days I see it. All I have needed, thy hand hath provided. Great is thy faithfulness, Lord, unto me. Pardon for sin, and a peace that endureth. Thine own dear presence to cheer and to guide. Strength for today and bright hope for tomorrow. Blessings all mine, with 10,000 beside. Great is thy faithfulness. Great is thy faithfulness. Morning by morning, new mercies I see. All I have needed, thy hand hath provided. Great is thy faithfulness. Great is thy faithfulness. Great is thy faithfulness, Lord, unto me. Great is thy faithfulness, Lord, unto me.